From 2005 to 2012, Ford gave their Top Dealership Award to Burns Garages of Cheshire due to customer service excellence and superb value for money. With a history of traditional family values which dates back to the repair of horse-drawn vehicles, Burns Garages Limited has maintained a reputation for great value for money, great products and complete customer satisfaction. Located in Congleton, Cheshire, our large display of new and used cars can be viewed in a friendly, comfortable environment, and you will be looked after by knowledgeable, professional staff who will be pleased to see you. Whatever your motoring need or budget, we can help. Our workshops carry out all service and repair work to the highest of standards at the lowest price. Call in for a free vehicle health check, free holiday check, free repair quote, or even free town centre parking at any time. We are here to help.
Hi, thanks for visiting Burns Garages Limited, a business established by my great-grandfather in 1918, and we trade today using his principles: great value for money and exceptional customer satisfaction. Thanks for visiting.
Call us today on 01260 273 553 or visit www.burnsgarages.co.uk and discover for yourself why Burns Garages have been renowned for customer satisfaction and great value for money since 1918.